Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Sezzle Virtual Card online. Just follow these steps so you can pay with Sezzle anywhere the virtual card is accepted. First, open the Sezzle app on your phone and log in with your account. Make sure your account is verified and that you have enough available spending limit. Inside the app, go to Virtual Card. You can tap Sezzle Virtual Card at the top or tap Virtual Card at the bottom right corner. Here you'll see your card number, expiration date and CVV. Next, enter the amount you plan to spend, then tap Continue. Read the loan terms, and if you agree, continue. Tap the button to confirm and click Complete. You'll now see the updated amount available for your next purchase. Tap Continue, and you can now use your Sezzle Virtual Card at checkout, just like a normal card. You can also shop inside the Sezzle app. Just pick a store, tap Pay with Sezzle, enter the amount you want to spend, and tap Continue. Read and agree to the loan terms, then enter your virtual card details at the merchant's checkout, and that's it. Once you follow these steps, you can easily use your Sezzle Virtual Card for online purchases anytime.